Okay guys, so Karen keeps telling me that there's this amazing place. What is this place called, Karen?
Island Pacific.
An Island Pacific supermarket. She keeps saying, we need to go here, we need to go here. They have the most amazing food. You're saying that they have food. I don't know.
Vegetables.
She said it's like a buffet style inside. So we're gonna be walking into here. I will give you the address in a second, but I figure I'd turn on the camera and show you guys what the food looks like. I'm gonna what? Karen, I'm recording you.
Where they grill. Usually they would have pork right here. Full pork. They grill the fish. And this is their stuff. They have barbecues, pork, fish. There's a squid. Pancit, that's good. This one is good pork liempo. That one's good too. The famous sinigang. I think, yeah, this is famous sinigang. Soups. Pancit. Long beans. And then the really good one is over there.
Oh yeah, this is the one.
Yung dish ko is
This is my favorite.
gulay.
Pork lechon kawali. These are kind of like sisigs, they call it. I don't know what they're called really. Of course, everybody knows that. And the best part.
Okay, what is that pink stuff?
Right here, that's bagoong, the staple food of the Philippines. We add it on everything. It's like salted shrimp in it.
What's in it? Salted shrimp?
Yeah, the pink stuff.
Salted shrimp?
And then this is shrimp. And this right here is jackfruit, canned jackfruit.
Oh, that's jackfruit? Okay.
This is jackfruit.
What's this pancake looking thing?
This one right here is a eggplant with egg, deep fried it, or fry it.
Barbecue?
This one is barbecue pork, sweet.
Okay, and this is like intestine, right?
And right here, this one is intestines, yes. This one right here.
Uh-huh.
And then this one is called chicharron bulaklak.
Uh-huh.
I don't know exactly what this is, but you ate it. I gave it. I give you the. And then this is.
This looks like a Mexican carne guisada. But it tastes like a Mexican carne guisada, but you call it what?
Menudo.
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 This is the menudo?
Yeah, this is the menudo. Olives and stuff.
Okay. Oh yeah, it does have
Of
olives.
course, lumpia.
This is lumpia.
Of course, you know what that one is. This is
This
coconut milk.
Is amazing. This is coconut milk with, what is that, green beans?
Green long beans, and that has pumpkin in it. Like pumpkin
Uh-huh.
with coconut milk.
Okay. And then I'm gonna go over here. And this is a fish.
This is really good.
Sinigang soup.
Fish. Yes, fish soup.
It's
Really,
like
really good.
very sour. It's like a sour, sweet.
Sour, sweet kind of soup.
So when I tasted this, it tastes more like a strong lemon in it. But she said that's just the sinigang flavor.
And the lemongrass.
And then of course we have more lumpia, which are just like spring rolls with meat in the middle.
Meat in it, yeah.
And Karen is obviously excited to show me something. Oh, Dylan's saying give this video a thumbs up. I don't know what the heck she is doing. What is this?
This is called pomelo.
It
It's
looks
very
like,
good. High in vitamin C.
It looks like what is it called? An orange on crack.
Or lemon. Yes, lemon.
Okay, let me just step back so people can see how big this is. That's a basketball size. That's like huge. What the place looks like.
If you like this video, guys.
Subscribe if you like this video, guys. Yes, Dylan. Say that again, Dylan. Right now.
Every Filipino knows why.
Why are you?
Whenever we go groceries, this is the first thing you're gonna open. It's really good. Sweet, tangy, really, really high in vitamin C.
What's it called again?
Pomelo.
Pomelo.
When you open it, just like this, right?
Oh my gosh, it looks like grapefruit.
Yes, it does, totally. Sweet.
That
Oh
is
my goodness.
Freaking ginormous.
Want you to try it. So Christina's gonna try it.
Peace, thumbs up.
How
Wow.
does it taste?
It tastes like a freaking pomegranate.
A pomegranate. A pomegranate?
Oh my god.
Subscribe.
No.
Guys, subscribe, guys.
Hard,
Uh-huh.
like a it's like that texture of a pomegranate without the seed. It's like a pomegranate and an orange. And
Do
look
you
at,
like it?
look how big these freaking kernels are. I mean, not the kernels. What is this called?
Pops?
Yeah.
Pops. Yes, they're humongous.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
Hey guys,
Awesome.
so this place is located at
467 East Silverado Ranch Boulevard.
Subscribe.
This place was so freaking good. I was actually shocked. I think I know in my past life I was Asian because I love Asian food, but the quality of food here was amazing.
A lot of vegetables.
Yes,
Lots of meat.
lots of veggies, lots of
Fish.
meat. Fresh. I have to say fresh.
Fresh.
That buffet, I'm gonna say I give it like 4 stars. 4 out of 5 stars.
And I want to add something to it. Like majority of their fishes are all wild caught.
And I'm just
Yes, they're wild. Yeah, they're caught.
Mostly are wild.
They're wild, which is awesome.
I'm a Minecraft video, guys.
I know he's a Minecrafter, but the majority of their fish are wild, which is amazing. The quality of the food, I mean, you can taste that it's fresh. I don't know about you guys, but I can taste the difference between really fresh and like frozen. You too,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, pretty much.
If
yeah.
you guys are in Las Vegas, you probably want to check out this place. Super good, super friendly, and the thing is also, you can ask to sample any of the foods because this one was like, can she sample this? Can she sample that? I was a little embarrassed because I sampled like 7 things.
But they're nice.
They're super, super nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you could subscribe, hit that little bell right there next to the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.